Good day everyone, this is Angelus T. Reyes presenting this Chinese cuisine for my specialty cuisine subject by Dean Michelle Borja. In this recipe po, kailangan ng black noodles, oyster sauce, and then yan, garlic, and fresh tomatoes. Yung mga seafood po na ginamit ko, shrimp at pusit, yan, pinagsama ko na po sila. Yung iba po, gusto nila lutong-luto yung kanilang mga vegetable. Pero yung iba naman, gusto nila medyo crunchy. Pinagsabay ko na po lutuin yung mga seafood natin. 1 to 3 minutes para yan, lutong-luto. And yung chicken broth and oyster sauce natin, yan yung para malasang-malasa yung noodles, yung black noodles natin. Halos luto na rin po yung noodles natin, kaya maya-maya isa-serve na po natin siya. Again, this is my video presentation for Dr. Michelle Borja, and this is my specialty cuisine subject, and this is a international cuisine which is Chinese black squid noodles. Thank you po for watching.